What's up, Goon Squad? A new day here. Check out that new shirt though. I'm rocking it. If you guys want that, be sure to check out the website, goonsquad.com. Cop them before they all sell out. Got a few more up there, got a few colors, so be sure to check them out. It's Parts Bay. You got them throwing the money on the parts. I'm thinking about doing a shirt for the Subi guys, maybe like a turbo down here. This is for all my Jeep guys here. We're just the truck guys. Got axle, got the piston, got the spark plug, got all that stuff right there. It's just parts, you know. Got Parts Bay. So right now, we got a little issue with the Sahara. The AC is not holding pressure, so one of the lines is leaking. So we just now tracked that down. So we're about to fix that, and we're gonna go pump some more AC into that thing. Because it is up for sale, we're probably gonna sell it at the end of the week. So that's gonna be a goodbye to this Jeep. It was a really fun build right there, a simple and clean build. So guys, stay tuned to see what happens. Huge thanks to Tim for sending us this. We're gonna show you guys what it is. He's very thoughtful of you, man. We appreciate it. Now let's open it up. What we have here, a 12-pin sub, because he was watching and he noticed that we got the wrong subwoofer or the internals.
Heck yeah, dude, that is legit.
Awesome, dude.
Let's route it up.
Tim,
appreciate that, Tim.
All right, guys, so we're gonna swap that speaker into this one with the correct harness. So that was our issue. This one had like a 6-pin harness, and this is a 12-pin harness. So we're gonna go ahead and swap it out, and then we're gonna install it on the Jeep. All right, so we got everything swapped out of the old one into the new one. Now we're gonna put it back into the center console. All right, so the speaker's bumping, it sounds great, everything works. We'll probably pump the AC sometime this afternoon. But now on to the next thing. We're probably gonna do some work to the Oscar Mike edition. We need to finish it up. I'm gonna move to the paint booth, and I'm gonna clean out the paint booth, make sure it's ready for the fender that we're about to paint. We got all the WRX parts. So there's a lot of stuff that needs to get moved out of here. I believe that the WRX should be done today. It's on the frame machine right now. So hopefully we get it back today and we can start putting back the interior, because I'm just gonna leave it outside for now, and then later on we're gonna put it back in the vehicle. So let's get this place cleaned up. Alright, so we got all the stuff out of the paint booth. All I gotta do is really sweep it up, and then we will wet the floor to prevent dust. So moving on, let's go find that fender that we gotta paint. Alright, so this is the fender that we gotta sand. Alright, so he's about to wash it down with the soap and sponge, and then we'll start sanding it. Putting some glazing putty on the imperfections, like little pinholes and stuff. So that's the main reason why we're repainting it. Gotta fix all that. Get it all filled in with glazing putty. Now we're sanding it down. So we got the fender sanded down, we got it cleaned up. Just washed off with a sponge and some water, so it's cleaned up. We're gonna set it up in the booth here. We're gonna wax and grease remove it, and we will be sealing this fender with some sealer, and then we're gonna paint it. Got a little bit more prepping to do, and we'll be spraying it in here shortly. Now that we got it taped off, to ensure that the inner fender doesn't get any overspray on it, we're gonna wax and grease remove it. First, the sealer. Let's get it. Take that off for now. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this fan on. We need to tack cloth it. So now that we got it sealed, we're gonna go mix up some paint. Now we're gonna go see what he's got done, see what's going on. Ooh, it's real foggy in there. We'll check it out later. All right, guys, so I got my Salt Bay glasses on, you know what I mean. But on the real note, so we're actually gonna throw another coat on that fender, so it's gonna be up to 3 coats of clear. And I just wanted to walk back here and show you guys a possible build in the future. Let me show you guys. So what we have here is a Toyota. It runs good. It's a 22 RE. It's a 4-cylinder inline 4. But that's the problem there. I mean, it's just rusted out. The rocker panel. I know you could buy these panels and replace them, but the motor runs good. It's got brand new tires on it, 4x4. Everything else works. It's locked. This is my brother's truck, but it's been sitting here for such a long time that I'm just thinking maybe we could just take over and just maybe restore it completely, because I know these things run great and they're just fun vehicles overall. Fun little toys, I guess, off-road. I think it's pretty clean. I mean, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I just want to let you guys know that this is a possible build and we may get at it sometime in the future. So let me know what you guys think and hopefully we can make something happen. All right, so now he's throwing the last and final coat. So he's in there spraying. I just wanted to talk to you guys right here about this build right here. It's a semi truck, but I know it'd probably go off-road. What do you guys think? I was talking about the semi truck build. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. That's my dad's old truck, and it kind of broke down on him, so he had to fix like a few things on it. So now he's driving the company truck. So that's just sitting there. I mean, it's got to get fixed. So I was just brainstorming a little bit. We don't build semis, we're just fooling around. But so that's why it's sitting here. It's gonna be here for maybe a couple more weeks, but for the most part, that's why it's here. It just broke down and needs a little bit of work. So we're gonna have it fixed. Hopefully in a couple weeks, I'll probably help out. So you may get a little bit of footage on it. I don't know. I mean, it may be a little boring, so we'll see. So how'd that paint job look?
It's alright.
Because the weather?
Yeah, it's too hot.
Yeah, it's a little hot down south here. It's kind of pollen in the air. Is there still pollen in the air?
Yeah,
it's very slight, so it's not that great for the paint job, but hopefully it'll all buff out. We just have to wait and see until it dries out. So we're gonna clean the gun up, and that'll be it for that fender. All right, back in here on the fender. It didn't turn out so great because of the weather, so I think we may be repainting it, but we'll probably get a new fender because there's a lot of things that we couldn't fix and a lot of learning from your failures. So we're gonna take that as a lesson. All right, guys, so we're heading to the shop right now. What'd you think about that fender? Is you gonna try to buff it out?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to buff it out. Might repaint it, just depends.
Yeah, it really depends on how it turns out when it dries. We don't have AC in here, so sorry about the windows, guys, but we are going to pump the AC right now since we did fix the leak, or we found where it was leaking. So we're gonna head there and we're gonna see what's going on with the WRX. Maybe they got it finished, maybe not. So we're gonna keep you guys updated. We'll catch you there. All right, guys, so we're pumping the AC. V-tuned, always doing some good work right there.
Getting it done.
We'll pump it up, little update on the WRX. They got it up on blocks, looking good, looking good. Just waiting on the frame guy. He'll be here in probably tomorrow or so. So there you have that. Back over here on the turbo build. What's going on, boys?
What is this shiny stuff?
Man, that looks awesome, dude.
Yeah.
Where's my turbo S2000 fans at?
Right here.
With the Brom racing seats.
Get that dead Hornet out of there, bro.
Oh, there's a dead Hornet in here. Let me get that for you. Ah. This thing is clean on the inside. I'll be doing a little bit of videos once he gets it running. All right, guys, so we just got our AC pumped. It's nice and cold. We could roll up, yeah, we could roll the windows up from now. So we are good, man. We're out. We checked up on the WRX. It's still on the frame machine. They did get it up on blocks. They just got it ready for the frame guy. He'll be here tomorrow. So hopefully they'll get it done then. So we'll keep you guys updated, and then we'll start the Bondo process on it, or we'll see what's next. We still got to order a few more parts, but guys, it's on the way. It's coming soon, so stay tuned. These are super hot today, so it kind of just possibly ruined our paint job, but it's super rough. It's like a bunch of trash in there or something.
We'll try to buff it.
So yeah, we're gonna try to buff it, as I said before, and hopefully we may be able to do a little bit of paint correction, but for the most part, this one did not turn out as great, so we'll see. We'll have to wait and see when it dries. All right, guys, that's a wrap for today's video. As usual, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Goon Squad. If you want to support us, check out the links down below. We got a Patreon and we got a GoFundMe, so be sure to check those out. Also, don't forget to check out goonsquad.com. copy one of the Parts Bay shirts. I will have a Subi shirt for my Subi fans out there here soon, so be on the lookout for that. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe, and also be sure to turn on your post notifications to know when these awesome videos come out. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.